Hello friends, this is the third part of the video in strings in data types. Okay, before we are going to the channel, please to share, subscribe and comment to our channel. So today's topic is based on built-in string methods. Okay, what is built-in string methods? So Python has given you a some not many string methods, that is built-in string methods to make our job so easy so that we can easily work in strings. So Python has given us such a method to us. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the methods, but not going to show all, but I'm going to show you some of the methods in strings. So I'll just show you what are the things I'm going to show to you. So first I just open a notepad so that you can easily what I'm going to tell you. So first method I'm going to tell you is capitalize. Okay, capitalize. Okay, the word capitalize. Oh, I'm just wait. Capital. Okay, I just made some mistake. Okay, the word capitalize itself giving you some meaning that capital. The word should be either that's the word must be in a capital. Okay, so I'll just show you how it works in a program. Okay, so okay, I'm just opening a command prompt, hitting enter. I'm just moving here. I'm just turning to a Python terminal. Okay, I just came in. So first, I just told about your capitalization. I'll just show you how it works here. Okay. So what is capitalize? This method will make your letter. Okay, make your letter first letter as a capital one if you're not given that as a capital. If you give a small word, if you making this method calling in, it will give you a method that the letter will be in a caps. I'll show you how it works to you. So I'm just making a string function equal to, I'm just giving a some string. Okay, this is string. Okay, I'll just straight away giving like this. I'm just hitting enter. I'm just now calling. I just wanted my thing this, so I just want my t to be in a capitalized, so this want to make a call that I'm just giving capital. Okay, capitalize iz. Okay, I'm just calling now the function, that is I'm just calling with a variable name with a function, that is method. Okay, that is capitalize. Oh, sorry, there is some mistake. Okay, I'm now hitting enter. See the capitalize. This has been changed. Small letter as T has been changed to a capital letter, that is T. Okay, so this is one of the method. And second method in built-in string method is center. This is the second one. What will the center will do? Returns a center in a string of a length with a width padding is done using a specific fill character. Okay, I'll just show you how it works to us. Okay, likewise I'm just calling a same string method. I'm just hitting enter. I just want my, I'm calling a print function with str dot center with center with, I'm just giving a 20 comma with a string value, that is a. And now I'm hitting enter. Okay, what happens? See, the center means the character, that is the first part of 20 will tell you about the character should be in 20 letters starting from 1 2 3, and it should be ended with a 20. In that, a has be a filler. Okay, if your my word that is string is, this is a string, it comes to center, so first and last will be and not filled. To fill that, I'm giving a as my filler. So if I'm giving like that, the first 11 space and last left place will be filled with a. So this is how the center has been used, and this for is being used to us. So next one in this is a count. I just type it. So next one is a type. So it has a three types of parentheses, that is start, sub, and end. Okay, okay, let's show you how it works here. Likewise, I said it has three types, right? Inside three parentheses it will have. So I'm giving a str. Okay, I'm just giving the same string str. This is string. Okay, I'm just hitting enter. My sub value, substring value equal to, I'm giving a value as I. Okay, now I'm hitting enter and giving a value like a print of str dot count. That is, I'm saying that sub means I have to check that value, that high as how many times being pasted in that value. That is, this is a string. So this is a string. We have normally seen that I there are three types of I. So this has one I, and I is as one I, and string has one I. So my value will be n3. Okay, but this will let you to give a some sets of a value. That means I can give a this string as only what types of what to say. This and string has how many i's. Okay, likewise we said. So I just want to show you. I'm giving this as an, okay, I'm just giving sub. I'll just show you how it works to you. I'm just calling the value start from 4 to end it with the 20. There is not 20 values. I'm just giving a 15. Okay, I'm now hitting enter. It has given a two values, right? Because I'm started with a value 4, that means I'm just ended with, I'm just lifting the this letter, the dhis, this, I'm just leaving left the whole thing. I'm just starting with a is and string. So is and strings has a two i's, so it has given a value as a 2. So this is how you, this function is to count it, not in a small set of strings. This function is mainly used in if you are an editor in some web page, so you have to search some set of characters, how many characters being inside there. So likewise, if you have to do that, this will be very useful in that. Okay, that way. So it will not be useful in this such of things. This is a string, we can easily see that, right? So this will not be useful in here. But if you are working as a web developer, so web editor, so not web developer, it's if you're on a web editor, it will be useful in like that way. So okay, so next one is all about fourth one. I'm just tell you about. Next built-in string method is find. Okay, next built-in function is find. Okay, what find will do, it will find some value that is inside the string. If it is present, it show you one some letters, that is some digit. I'll show you how it works to us. I'm just calling a string 1 equal to I love Python programming. Okay, I'm just making this as a string 1, and string 2 equal to, sorry, string 2 is Python. Okay, I'm just given some value, I'm just hitting enter. So now I'm checking that my string 2 value is being presented in string 1 or not. So to check that, we have to call the function that is find. So I'm calling that str1. So in str1, find a value of str2. Okay, this is a function, this is a method. So now I'm hitting enter. It showed me a 7. So it has been true, right? So if you have given some other value that is not presented inside it, it shown you a error. It will not show you an error, it will show you a -1. Okay, so this is how we have to find some values being placed in a string. Okay, the next one is an index. The fifth one is index. Okay, what will the index will do, it will find you the index value of some of the value, index value of the character. So I just show you the same one. I'm just calling the string 1 and string 2. I'm just using here. I'm just making a calling the function as str1 dot index of, oh I'm sorry, index of str2. So this is my function for index. I'm now hitting a enter. It showed me a value as a 7. That is, my Python value starts with a 7. So I'll just show you how, I'll just count and show you how it works. So I is 0 and space is 1 and L is 2 and 0 is 4, that is 2. So that is 3 and B is 4 and E is 5 and another space is a 6 and P is 7. So likewise it calculated and given me a some value. Okay, so likewise a find also saying that my searching value is being placed in a seventh character of my string values. So if I'm giving a program, I'm just making this as a Python as a programming, it give me as a some other value like a 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 and 13. My value will be in 13. Okay, so next function in string is digit. Okay, what is this digit means? If, oh just wait, I'll just type that is digit. What is its digit means? If your string content has some digit value, if your string value has some digit, then the thing will be not true. If it will not happen, not happening anything, it just show you as an error. So I'm calling a function str1, that variable in a function. Okay, I'm just printing and calling that str1 dot is digit. I'm asking to the compiler that str1 is a digit. No, it's false, right? I'll just show you the true value for that. I'm giving a str equal to, I'm giving a value as 456 and 2. Okay, this is my value for that. I'm just hitting enter and just now once again I'm calling the same function here. It will give me a result like some other thing that is true. This is how the this digit works. And next one is alpha. Is alpha, that means is alphabet. Like how the is digit works, is alpha works, whether the function has a character or not. If it has a some space also, it will show us a false. I just show you some demo for that. str1, see the string 1 has a I love Python, but in that we have three spaces in that. If I'm calling that function, it will show you as a false. Yeah, I'll just show you. I'm just making a print function with str1 dot is alpha. That is I'm saying that the string value is alphabet or not. See, it's false because it has a spacing is not considered to as a alphabet, so it showed me as a false. So likewise I'm saying just calling as str2, that is I'm having a Python only, I'm not having any spaces over that. So if I call that, it will show me as a result that is true. I'm just getting a value like that is I'm correct. Okay, so I'm just giving a next one is lower. Is lower is nothing but your string value is full of lower letters or not. That is how it will give us a result. Okay, I'll just move over here and just okay, it's lower. So str1 is full of lower cases, so I'm not going to call that. I'm just giving a some other value, and str3 equal to, I'm just giving a full Python. Okay, I'm just giving like this. Okay, I'm ending with double quotes. Okay, now I'm calling the function is lower. If I call this function, it will surely show me a error. Oh, just wait. Okay, print str3 dot is lower. Okay, is lower. Entered. Oh, I'm sorry, as indentation error, I'm just given some spacing, so it's shown me an error. So I'm just hitting it. It showed me near value as a false because my string value is full of caps. As value is full of caps, I'm saying that is lower. It surely show us a false. Okay, be sure on everything. If we call some built-in methods, you have to very sure on the what to say. It has some set of instructions, right? You have to very be careful in instructions on that. So this is all about today's session in building strings. Uh, you do search some other things and do clarify over there and just do some working on this so that you will be very clarify in building string methods. So I'm just moving on from this method, so I'm just closing this. So this is all about this video. Please do share and subscribe on to my channel. Bye.